Pistols only. Pistols only. Throw a grenade. Bow, bitch. You come out with your grenade launcher on the pistol.
Anybody have a grenade?
It's all sticking out.
Now this is a speedball course.
You got that one CO2?
Yeah.
You got the gas one?
No, that one you can put CO2 on that one too, can't you?
For real?
Yeah.
The clip? They're ready.
Oh shit.
Go.
Hit.
Oh! Did I get you in the damn?
You got hit?
I got hit, but I don't know if I got Kevin though. It looked like I did, but I don't know.
Look at Chris got me. John's little pistol's bad.
Damn.
Hey, cap gun? John's fucking gun holds a lot of fucking air in that motherfucker.
What is that?
I don't know. I think it's a Beretta. That motherfucker, last time he took out almost the whole squad with that. John's like, I tried to, I'm good with my fucking pistol.
Fucking little dude. There he goes crazy. He goes crazy in the back. Look, 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 look.
I see. God damn.
You ain't got that many rounds in that motherfucker, dude. Look at him, look at that motherfucker. He's on the other side, dude.
I guess he got hit right here already.
Did he?
Yeah, he got hit. He was like, I don't know if I got hit or not. Maybe. Some way, I think Sparky hit him.
Come here.
Huh? Pat got you right in the fucking bed.
Oh! Told you that kid was crazy. You got me like right in the sleeve, dude.
Did I?
But
I knew when it was 1 or 2 BBs. I knew when I shoot enough of them out there, something's gonna hit. Only thing that sucks with this motherfucker is semi-auto. Watch, semi-auto. You can watch it shoot, and somebody can move. I mean, literally, yeah, probably you can go like this and move, but when I put it like that,
damn.
You know, baby machine gun.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
oh,
Oh! Damn!
That was sweet. That was sweet.
that was nice.
That's your boy, Devin?
Nah, that's Patrick's steps on like this.
Oh, shit.
Got one more.
What the hell? I'm down, dude.